She emerged as the dominant figure in what turned out to be the greatest women's 400-meter race ever contested. Salwa Eid Nasser, the Nigerian-born Bahraini, who beat Shauna Miller-Weber in that epic matchup at last year's Qatar World Championships. Well, it's now out that Nasser missed 3 consecutive drug tests in the 12-month period leading up to the Qatar Championships. But she was allowed to run because the offenses were under investigation at the time. We're hearing also that she missed another test in January this year. Well, this is now the provisional suspension pending the hearing process. She's facing a possible 2-year ban, and we assume losing her gold medal and her speed rapid 48.14. This no look good on many fronts. And we hear Nasser responding by saying people missing 3 tests is normal and can happen to anybody. A silly response that we can put down to youthful exuberance. After all, she's still only 22. But from the look of everything and what she's saying and all of that, this is shaping up to be a big personal blow for Nasser. And indeed, a big body blow for the sport of athletics. And it's such a pity because we all wanted to see the rematch in Tokyo City. Oh.